Okay, welcome to basically Barbecuing 101. This is super simple recipes for people that don't know anything about barbecuing or grilling. What you want to do is you want to take 2 chicken breasts as you've seen and give them your favorite rub. The rub can be anything. And now we're going to make our honey mustard sauce for this grilled chicken. This is a super simple recipe. This is the recipe for 2 to 4 portions. But you can easily upscale this recipe if you need to, if you have more people coming over. Gives it a great kind of sweet, tangy kick. So you want 1/3 of a cup of Dijon mustard, 1/4 of a cup of honey, a teaspoon of steak sauce, and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And that is literally it. And basically you want to stir this around. You can make this a day before you're going to grill, but literally it takes 4 minutes and doesn't really need to rest. I'm adding a little bit of salt and pepper to it, but that's somewhat optional. And then you just stir this around and put it in the fridge until you're about 5 minutes away from taking the chicken off the grill. Okay, got our chicken on the grill, and you really flip this it's kind of up to you how much you want to flip it. I usually do it about once every 2 minutes or so, and you want to cook this till it's 165 in the dead center. Okay, and then about 5 minutes before it's time to pull the chicken off the grill, you want to start generously basting that sauce we made on it. The biggest mistake amateur grillers make is they put the sauce on too early. And what happens is the sugar in the honey, it'll burn and make your chicken taste like shit. Caramelized sugar is delicious. Burnt sugar tastes like shit. So, a couple of minutes, 3, 4, 5, before the chicken comes off, start basting it with the sauce. And be generous when you baste it. Okie dokie. And our chicken is done. You want to slice it on a bit of a diagonal, just for kind of presentation purposes. You can serve whatever you like with this. Beans, coleslaw, whichever. And that's basically it. That's how you make a delicious honey mustard barbecue chicken. Easy.